gets to see your truck, so that's got stuff going.
Do you post it?
Yeah.
On what?
YouTube. Is that cool?
Oh.
All right. You wanna be on it?
Can you tag me in it?
Yeah. Everyone see Andrew? What's up, Andrew? It's Andrew, right?
No.
Okay. So yeah, for sure. Things are going good though? Yeah? Good.
Things are getting better for sure.
Nice. As long as the economy stays going, man.
I'm a little worried about that.
I know. All the jobs and stuff, but if these vaccines start going, that'll help. So.
But yeah, since the first of the year, it's been going pretty good.
Cool. Some stuff in here. Yeah, he's usually here later, so I've been coming later, but...
Yeah, I mean, I've had a little bit of an issue with getting stuff.
Yeah.
Like UPS is not, like normally I'm getting 4 or 5 packages a day.
Yeah.
And now I'm lucky if a twice a week packages show up.
Yeah. Man.
That's why some shelves look a little bare.
It's a nice new color.
Yeah. You're always welcome to film. I don't.
Okay.
Doesn't bother me at all.
Cool. Yeah, it's under TB Tools on YouTube, so.
Got that down. I don't have a YouTube account for the business yet.
You know, it's a lot of neat. You know, a lot of the guys that are wrenching. You know, and it's the guys that are following me on that and Instagram. You know, it's a pretty tight community. It's one guys that are on that watch all the other channels.
I did pretty well on Instagram and Motorcycle World.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to do that with the Snap World. Just trying to find the time to post as much as I need to,
Yeah. I would, depending on if people are cool with it, maybe just mount it, just your daily life, activity of doing your thing. And
yeah, I did very well in motorcycle industry with Instagram.
See if we got any other pliers.
Catch me at the end of the week right before it gets all clean.
This is people are gonna comment, dude, that this is clean. Like probably that you and Sam both have probably more than their drivers have, but
yeah, I get anal like on Sunday. The whole truck gets cleaned. I spend about 8 hours.
Yeah.
Restocking and organizing.
Are you do you keep yours at the same place he does?
No, I'm in Anthem.
Oh, you're in Anthem?
He's on the south side.
Here's a curved jaw.
They call that a parrot pliers.
Is that what you were talking about?
Sort of. Mine, these are more heavy. Mine is like more bigger for like height.
Oh, bigger?
This be like for probably like rods. Like, used to make them all the time. Kind of like used to have good rounded, mainly for like half inch type of stuff. And when they was out working with this, and it's where you use wires and it's something to say. And I looked, well, I'll get another. Don't make them like that anymore.
These are my favorite part of the channel lines. The Nimpex brand.
Yeah, now they make them with that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But mine were actually a little bigger joggers. Actually,
What's that one? Have you tried these yet?
No, I have some similar to that. Mine the jaw isn't offset like that. But
These are super fast adjustable though. You just push that and then slide it.
see.
You push
And-
that in and just
And
slide
they
it.
fit hex fast.
Oh, I
Oh, it's
see.
so fast.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Huh.
You got a pair of those?
No.
You do now.
What do these run?
I don't know, but it's yours.
Oh, all right.
Courtesy of TV Tools.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Give them a try. Let you know.
I love my set.
You said you don't have an Instagram yet?
I do.
Okay.
I'm not been as religious
Not gonna-
about posting. I try to do about one a week.
Are you cool if people try to get a hold of you if they need something?
Yeah.
All right. Where can they find you?
It's Andrew_Martin Snap-on Tools.
Okay. Guys, I'll tag it down below in the video so you guys can have that. So if you guys need something that maybe your driver doesn't have or you don't even have a driver, hit Andrew up and he'll get you hooked up, get you guys sent out. So tell Sammy's got to share the wealth. That's what happens when you don't. When you ditch me, Sam.
We're here today.
He was. We were just late. So, you got a nice truck, man. It's
Thank you.
set up nice.
It's pretty cool.
Are you about wrapped up here?
I actually have to go into Audi. I haven't been in Audi yet.
Oh, okay. I'll get out of your hair here.
Just Allen wrenches. The other day I lost my 5.5 Allen wrench.
Right there on the ceiling, on the right-hand side, right above your head, right there.
You want to get him one of those too? Sure. Yeah. Just
Here's mine.
right there on that.
Yeah.
Right there on top.
Mhm.
All right. There you guys go.
One of these runs.
Make sure you give Andrew a follow right there, guys.
Maybe like blue point or anything like that.
Just the Snap-on.
Basically what I did is I lost one lousy wrench, you know how that is. And my other set didn't even come with a 5.5.
Oh, you need metric.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
one's standard.
Don't you hate that when you have a whole set?
You're missing one.
You can't even tell those individually, do you?
It's 5.5. I don't. That one. That set don't even have a 5.5.
See, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's the problem. The one I lose is the one my other set don't have either.
No, that one doesn't have 5.5 either.
Yeah, like crazy. Oh. I think I did find another 5.5, but I have two places. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And when you need something, I like to have it there instead of having to haul it back.
Show you guys this box here.
Yeah, it's not looking good.
Okay.
No 5.5. Goes from 5 to 6. Everything I'm looking
That
at.
5.5 you must not need too much.
Yeah. I know there's 2.5s.
Huh.
None of these sets have a 5.5.
Okay.
I tried.
All right. Well, appreciate it. Well, I had two sets. One had 5. Well, both of them had 5.5, but lost one. Yeah. It wasn't Snap-on. It wasn't some I've had for a while.
All right. So I guess we'll take those ones.
These ones here.
All right, everybody. We'll catch you next week.